Hey, it's Anita, and it is May 12th, and this is the real estate market update for Sonoma County. So I noticed 75 houses are in the coming soon section of the listing service. And I noticed Keller Williams alone has equally as many coming on board. So it is May and June, the launching season for real estate, and you can see through the trends that inventory is hitting the market. So it's really exciting. And I know that there was 35 brand new homes that actually hit the market today, 35 yesterday, and I'm noticing about 35 houses a day are coming on board, and that the coming soon funnel is filling up. So that's exciting. It's great news. It's really what realtors and buyers and sellers want to see. So it's going to be a little bit of a slower season, but a lot of inventory is coming on the market, so that's kind of neat. Now, there's two things I really wanted to talk about, was the 75 houses in the coming soon, but also the 63 days is the average days on the market. And does 63 days work for you if you were selling a house? You don't want it to take 2 months to sell your house. You want to have it hit the market the first week, and then the next week we start taking offers. And the only way we can do that is to price it perfectly and aggressively. We are in a downturning market, kind of a leveling market in a way, but a little bit going down. And so we don't want to pretend we can get a higher price than buyers will actually pay in your neighborhood. And there's ways we do that. And I've explained a lot of this on my new YouTube channel, which is Anita Anderson, Realtor, Keller Williams. I have 60 videos posted on there, taking away all the myths and misunderstandings of buying and selling homes. I discuss the basics of real estate on my YouTube channel for buyers and sellers. So visit there, make sure you subscribe and hit that little bell button, because then you'll get all my future videos. Or you can go over to my Facebook page, which is Sonoma County Real Estate Search, and like me and friend me. That's where all of my video information lands. And that's the market update for May 12th, and I'll see you next Sunday. Bye.